Hi, my name is Herbal Santiago. I'm a writer and a teacher. I am actually currently teaching abroad, and one of the things that my students are curious is they want to know about the Philippines and the Filipino traditions and how we do things in our country. So, today, let me share a little bit about how we Filipinos name our people. So, let me use my novel, Alona's Quest for the Golden Tree, as a reference. So, the name of the protagonist is Alona. Alona comes from the root word alon. Alon means wave. So that's sea wave, ocean wave. And because she's a girl, we usually add a. So, Alona. So what happens is she is named like that because she lives in an island. So the island not only is the place where she grew up in, but it is actually part and parcel of her identity. So much so that her name is based on her context. So that's one of the things that we do. We name our people based on where we came from. So do you do the same thing? Please comment down below. Alright, so Alona is the name of the protagonist in the novel Alona's Quest for the Golden Tree. Bye.